Let's have a little look at how to taste cider. We can approach this again in a very similar way that we would to wine, but most importantly, you need to swallow the drink rather than spit it out because so much of the flavour is at the back of the throat and on the swallow. Okay, step number one, we need to assess the colour and the clarity of the product. So we'll put our glass into the air and we'll have a look through. We can see it's got a wonderful bright shine to it. It's been filtered, it's taken out some of the fine apple sediment that's been left behind. There's nothing wrong with that at all, but it's lovely and clean, and there's a nice pale gold colour to it. We can see that there's some very fine bubbles coming off. It's lightly carbonated. It looks really rather inviting. So let's give it a go, shall we? On the nose, we're assessing the aromas here, and it's real green apple. This is an acid style cider, so it's got a lot of those fresh, green, crisp apple aromatics. It's lovely and lean and mineral. Very, very inviting. And thirdly, we need to have a taste. Through tasting, we're able to assess not only what flavors are coming through, but also the texture and the mouthfeel. For this style of cider, once again, it's medium dry in terms of level of sweetness, soft, lightly fruity with that, again, that crisp green apple in there, and it's wonderfully lean and mineral, fantastic as a thirst quencher. It's not the biggest or boldest of ciders, but it absolutely cuts through any sweetness or any fat that might be left over in there and makes a really, really good thirst quenching cider. So cheers to that.